Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a delicious curry shrimps, which involve no effort, very easy and delicious. Do keep in mind I will go right ahead and leave a full list of the ingredients and measurements so you can always check it out. This curry shrimps video was totally inspired by a Caribbean pot. Next, in a head pan, I'm just going to go right ahead and add a bit of oil, chopped garlic, spring onion, red onion, parsley, and basically cook them for about 3 or 4 minutes. So here we are guys, after 3 minutes. Next I'm going to go right ahead and add 3 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of masala, and 1 tablespoon of geerah. And basically cook them for about 2 or 3 minutes. At this point you want to maintain a constant stir as well. So what I'm doing here guys is basically parching or stir frying my curry. This will ensure that the curry is fully cooked before I go right ahead and add a bit of water. So here we are guys, let's notice a change in color. This ensures that the curry is fully cooked. Next I'm going to go right ahead and add a bit of water and just give it a good stir. Next guys, for taste, I'm just going to go right ahead and add a pinch of black pepper and a bit of Maggie cube seasoning and just give it a good stir. So here we are guys, at this point we have finished creating our gravy or sauce. Next I'm going to go right ahead and add my shrimps and basically cook them for about 3 or 4 minutes. Next I'm going to go right ahead and add my shrimps and just cook them for a few minutes. Do keep in mind all ingredients I'm using here has been thoroughly washed and cleaned. And also we'll go right ahead and leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below in the description box so you can always check it out. So here we are guys, delicious curry shrimps. This recipe was totally inspired by Caribbean Pot, one of my favorite channels to watch. So it's been around 3 minutes. Next I'm going to go right ahead and finish it off with some chopped parsley, onion, and also pimento pepper. So friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and share. And you can also find this video at CaribbeanPot.com, also Caribbean Pot on Instagram. Just let them know that Cooking with MP did a version of this delicious curry shrimps. Thanks for watching. Until next time.